All right, the other way around. I have just my plano case right there with all the goodies, which is helping me out to go on the top. I don't have my roof rack yet, but eventually that's will be. I'm looking for also a beautiful domestic fridge, which is, I hope these guys will help me out. Basically what's going on here: water, food, a lot of water, and tent just in case. Yeah, I'm not a fan of a rooftop tent, so we'll see how it goes. So pretty neat. I love it. And with all this stuff, oops, the door is not closed. I didn't install yet my my bull bar, well, my light bar yet. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's actually our first weekend. We have a beautiful sky over there. So yeah. And my tire carrier, my cousin, I'm still waiting for him for this tire carrier. Yeah, I'm so stunned. I'm so happy. Yeah, so that's gonna be great. That's gonna be awesome. And I'm so surprised with all the stuff, this height I have compared to last year. Boom, thank you very much for King Spring and KYB. And this is gonna be it. See you soon on the road. Good to go. So plano and the truck, and here we go. Boom.